Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set a limit sell order on Trading 212 application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 application and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now you need to understand that if you are using the invest account of yours over here, the sell order or the sell limit order option will not be available. So you need to basically convert it to the CFD account of yours, and then you need to tap on the option of portfolio. So inside your portfolio you will be shown the list of all of the stocks that you own. So you need to simply select that particular stock that you have, and then you need to simply tap on the option of sell. Now over here you need to basically tap on the option of set limit and the stop, and simply provide the pricing. So currently this SpaceX stock is at the price of 110, and let's say I want to sell it when it comes on 109. So after adding this particular amount, simply tap on the option of place sell order. So this way my order will be placed and the information will be shown here, like the pending order. So that's how you can basically do it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.